brother, and Paul in sports.
Thank you. Welcome to GVBR News. Since you are, thanks for watching. I'm Tim.
And I'm Kate.
Tonight we're going to bring you the 5 o'clock news. The top story tonight, President Barack Obama in the Congress. Hold on just a second. Hold on just a second. We've got an alert. We've got an Amber Alert. Little Scott has fallen into the well. There's a correction on that. Little Scott has fallen into the septic tank.
Aww.
And apparently at this point no one wanted to go in after him. We don't have all the news from little Nora, but we will get that to you as soon as we can. That is breaking news. I'm going to turn this over to our co-anchor, Gabe.
And our top story this evening is a most amazing restaurant ever to be held on Goshen Valley Boys Ranch was closed after just one serving this past Monday night. We're going to go to Ranger Bob now. Ranger Bob, are you there? Are you there, Bob? Ranger Bob. Ranger Bob.
Gabe, can you hear me? Hello?
Ranger Bob.
Hi, Gabe.
Hi, Bob.
How's it going?
Good.
We have a horrific story today. Really sad. I'm not going to break it all to you. I have Amanda here. She is owner of this place that we're going to talk about. And she's going to tell me.
Talk louder. We had phenomenal service with our hamburgers. We got all of the orders correct, and everyone loved the food. But there were so many flies that we had to close down the place. We just tried everything to get rid of them. We tried plates and foil and lids and anything we could think of to cover the flies in the food, but it just would not work. So we had to
Wow. That sucks. Back to you guys in the main area.
That was Ranger Bob filing that report. We'd like to now go to Heather with the weather. Weather, Heather.
Yeah.
What's up?
Ow.
Looks like this week is gonna be hot, still hot, really hot. Rain Wednesday. Thursday still really hot. Friday really really hot, and Saturday still really really hot. So yeah, it's hot, and I'm gonna pass you over to Victoria. How you feeling out there, Victoria? You feeling hot?
Let's see here. Yep, still hot. It's hot, it's muggy, there's bugs. Maybe you would know that if you came out of the air-conditioned studio every once in a while and actually came out here and, I don't know, work. I don't want to lose my hair. Yeah, it's hot, it's sticky, the sun's been shining all day. You know what? I'm not really doing this today. I don't make enough money. Back to you, Dave.
Okay, so apparently Victoria's leaving. Maybe she'll stay around for a few more times. Moving on to sports news, we're now going to go live to Pablo Alberto with some very dramatic sports news.
That's right. This is Pablo Alberto coming to you live from Goshen Valley, where we just finished off with an amazing beanbag toss championship. Now, unfortunately, the champion, Slim Jakey, is not around for interview because he said, if you're not ABC, you're not going to be talking to me. So we're going to be going over to the runner-up, Mr. Josh, and what we're going to do is we're going to find out from him exactly how he feels about that. Could you let me know? No, I need to know exactly how you felt about how you. No, I want to know how you. No, I want to know how you.
Did you hear that?
I may need security over here because he's not. No, you may want to go back to the sports desk. Go back to the desk.
We're sorry about that, folks out there who are watching this respectable newscast. We'll make sure we don't have that interview again. In the meantime, we're going to head back to the weather desk with Heather. Heather?
Hello again. It's still gonna be hot. Nothing's changed in the last 30 seconds. Back to you, Victoria. You're still here. Glad to see it.
Alright, yes, still hot. Back to you, Dave.
Well, thanks for that. Sorry it's still hot out there. Now in other news, we are actually in for some great entertainment here in the studio, live coming to us. The last performance Chris Williams did was in, Salty Baptist Church. And he's going to be giving some great music performance. So now live, Chris Williams.
Oh, wow.
You might call me Matthew, you might call me John, you might call me Michael, or you might call me Mom, you might call me Trudy, or you might call me Trey, you might call me anything, no matter what you say, you still gotta serve somebody. Sing it with me. Yeah, still you gotta serve somebody. Yeah. You might be the devil, or you might be the Lord, but you still gotta serve somebody. Yes, you do. Yes, you might be the devil, or you might be the Lord. You might be the devil, or you might be the Lord. You know, I was just thinking about this verse that I was reading in the Bible earlier today. And you know, I was just thinking that it's so common, but we overlook it so many times, you know? It's John 3:16. And you guys know John 3:16. It's, for God so loved the world that he? Gave. Oh, come on, I didn't hear you. For God so loved the world that he?
Gave.
He?
Gave.
Yes, he gave, and he gave it all for love, and he loves us. And so this next song is going to be about the power of his love and affection. And so I'm going to teach it to you. It goes, I want to be seized by the power of the great affection. All right? Here we go.
Let's hear it for Chris Williams. Chris, give it up for Chris. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow. Sorry, I kind of lost my place there for a bit. Thank you, Ranger Bob, for joining in. Okay. Something that I know you've all been waiting for, and we're going to get to it right now. And that is our latest in weather. And for that, we're going to go to Weather Heather.
Thank you. Still hot out here, but I think it looks like some rain's coming. Victoria, what do you think?
As a matter of fact, Heather, I do believe there is some coverage.
That's what you get.
And now finally, to make your commute ride home a little more pleasant here at Goshen Valley, traffic with Traffic Jam Paul.
That's right, we have a lot of lockups just outside of Goshen Valley Ranch, but we want to make sure that we make everyone sure to stay off of the road because Paul is back behind the wheel of the van. Get your kids and your animals back in the houses. Please be careful. Thank you very much. And we want to make sure that if you're passing by the Hope Valley, we want to make sure that you give a big old wave to Zach as he's doing his community service right outside. Make sure you give a big old wave. All right? And we're going to take it right back over to you guys back at the desk.
Hey, this is not fair and balanced coverage.
All I can hear is a chainsaw. But what is it? What is it, Ranger Bob? I hear a chainsaw. Ranger Bob, what's going on? Is there breaking news again?
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Way to wrap up the day. We have exciting news here at Goshen Valley. I heard that Scott, little Scott, has been lifted from the sewer. Scott, recapping here.
Don't be embarrassing.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, he stinks, but Scott, I'm so glad. So I heard that finally, after a long, agonizing several minutes in that sewer, somebody paid Jeff $5 to go down and get him. You don't know? I heard they had to send food and water and air freshener down there. Did it help keep you going? No? No? Okay. Are you happy? Would you rather go back? No? Good. Well, we're really glad that you're out. We're all happy. Rock out.
You're welcome to join in. Since you were, thanks for watching.
This is so awesome. Oh, snap.
Yes.